What's going on, YouTube, man? We back at it. I got to update y'all on a lot of things right now, especially the silver bullet giveaway, because I'm telling y'all, I want to end the giveaway just as bad as y'all do. I'm just as anxious as y'all are. I just understand. I mean, you guys got to understand the way business goes. Certain things got to be done and certain requirements got to be met. So that's why we're waiting to sell out. I try giving y'all certain deals to spark it up, but we're going to have a lot of different stuff going. So tomorrow or tonight, I'm going to end up stripping the second place bike. I'm going to powder coat that frame, spice that up, because tomorrow I have the inner and outer fairing, the bags, and a few other pieces coming in the mail. So we're going to get that bike to the paint set finally. So that's going to be on the way. In the midst of the paint being done, we're going to get all the powder coated that we can. So I think it'll be 100% looking clean and mean. So that's the plan for second place. First place, like I said before, we took the motor cases to Harley. We waiting on that, and we still waiting on the other motor. So whatever one come first, we're going to go with, and that bike is going to be running 100% because we already been waiting long enough, especially if we sell out and go live. I want the winner to be able to have that bike running and riding, not sitting with the truck waiting. So that's the whole thing about it, man. We're trying to speed everything up and be more efficient and get everything on the way. But we got to keep doing what we've been doing and stay in our lane, doing everything the way we've been doing it. Anyway, we almost there, man. So today, it is Thursday. We about to get everything on the way, man. Today, I'm going to give y'all another deal. We're going to do 10 spots each hat. We got less than 30 spots, man. Let's sell out and get this giveaway over with. Like I said before, we about to head to LA, hopefully pick up our rims if they're 100% done with the rotors and hubs and tires. Besides that, we about to go ahead and pick up these powder coat parts, drop off some more, and hopefully get this frame took apart to get that thing up out there. So stay tuned, man. We got a lot of work to do. Like I said, cop you a red or a blue SLIDN HIDN cap right now for 50 bucks. Get you 10 spots into the giveaway. We are almost sold out. If you want to get you a SLIDN HIDN patch, you still can right now for $25, but it is one patch, one entry. That's the difference about it, man. Take advantage of the opportunity, because I'm telling you, it could be your time right now. Just how my guy in Sacramento is sliding right now, going up. The time is now for you, except you're not spending $50 like him. You're spending half of that, $25. And you got the opportunity to win a whole lifted Chevy Silverado. Somebody asked me if the truck was diesel, so I'm going to fill y'all in with that. The truck is a 2015 1500 Chevy Silverado. It has a lift kit all the way around, look good, everything you need, got the beef feet. That thing is equipped, ready to go. I done went on a lot of trips, did a lot of things in that truck, and it still got a whole lot of life left in it. So it is a gas truck. You could be sliding that thing with for $25 right now in the description below, or spend that 50, get you 10 spots. Take advantage of it, because I'm telling you, it could really be yours in real life. I'm telling you, I have to give this truck away to one of y'all. So get in and win it while you can, because I'm telling you, I've been shopping for a new truck, and Lord knows I'm going to have to leave out of California to get one, because the way these prices is out here. But it's good, man. We got to keep going and keep striving. So get in and win it while you can, man. We sliding, not hiding. Yes, sir, man. We're about to slide to the powder coat shop right now and drop these parts off. We got up over there loaded in the box. We got some parts for our 2019 Silver Bullet Roadglide, and we have some parts for our 2015 Roadglide up in there. So stay tuned. We're gonna get those parts back tomorrow. We'll be back out here tomorrow to drop a whole nother load of parts off. So stay tuned for that, man. I cannot wait. About to get this thing on the way, man. So stay tuned. We're about to pull up to this joint. And I want the legs all just black. These are what I want, orange.
What color?
No, that feels good. It's fresh hot. These look good.
Alright, but you know, because I'm the worker and he's the owner. She's the owner. She's the owner. See?
You're being funny?
He's crazy. Yes, sir, man. We feeling good. We done finally got the motor off the frame. That's why I be telling y'all, man, it's literally nothing for your boy. The only thing that be irritating me every time with this bike is literally getting the last shaft out of the frame through the transmission, because let me show y'all. It's a double side, literally. It's both. It's the same on both sides. A 13-inch nut with this 3/4 on the outside. So when I was doing it, I was having a problem because I kept breaking the left side instead of the right side. So I had to put a gang of Loctite on the boat to finally get it to stay, to loosen this side. So I had pulled it out like that so I can get out of the transmission, because when it was like this, you can't pull it out that way because the mount, this is the only side, that's why it's open over here. So we had to think outside the box with that one, but we got the job done, man. Like I said, this is the second place bike we're giving away right now, so make sure you get in to win it while you can, man. I'm telling you, I cannot wait. We're about to get this thing powder coated. The powder coat shop just called me for the parts we just dropped off yesterday, so I'm about to pick those up today. We're going to for sure powder coat all this. I'm not leaving this dirty chrome like this. I'm not going to lie to y'all, so I'm sorry for the people who was loving it, but we're not doing this, man. We need this bike to be clean and wet. I'm telling you, I was staring at this bike all night. I'm like, dude, look how clean the powder coat, everything. I'm like, I can't go out like this. Come on, man. Come on, man. Can't go out like that. That's why we got it going. And we about to get it done. We got all the parts over here. We're gonna get everything, get them bars, all this little stuff. I'm just not taking everything at once. That's my main thing. So we're doing little by little. So we're gonna get everything on the way. So I'm telling y'all, I can't wait, man. It's game time. It's lit. I'm telling you, it's really about to be lit. I'm about to wash the frame, get it cleaned up, but I'm hurting to upload this video so I can get this out to y'all. So stay tuned for the next video. I may upload it again today. Like I said, get in to win it while you can right now, man. First place a truck in a 2019. Like I said, the motor is almost done. I mean, almost here. Plus, I got the other second motor with the casing. So like I said, whatever one get here first, we about to just use. So we get this thing on the way. Then we got our second place bike right here, the 2015 Roadglide. We're about to get the frame powder coated. And today is so crazy. The inner outer fairing come today in LA. We're about to go pick that up. Inner outer fairing, the bags, and a gang of other little small parts, both of the crash bars and a gang of other stuff. So stay tuned. This bike is about to come together. Everything is about to look good and amazing in real time, real soon, man. I'm telling you, just stay tuned, man. That's why I can't wait. But we slide, not hiding, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Make sure y'all enter to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway, man. We working.